I really don't feel like this. The kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me. I've asked about you and they told me things, but my mind didn't change and I still feel the same. What's a life with no fun? Please don't be so ashamed. I've had mine, you've had yours, we both know. They won't get you like I will. My only wish is I die real, cause that truth hurts and those lies heal. And you can't sleep thinking that he lies still, so you cry still. Tears all in a pillowcase. Big girls all get a little taste out, pushing me away so I give her space out. Dealing with a heart that I didn't break. I'll be there for you, I would care for you. I keep thinking you just don't know. Trying to run from that, say you're done with that. On your face, girl, it just don't show. When you're ready, just say you're ready. When all the baggage just ain't as heavy and the party's over, just don't forget me. We'll change the pace and we'll just go slow. You won't ever have to worry. You won't ever have to hide. And you've seen all my mistakes, so look me in my eyes. 'Cause if you let me, here's what I'll do. I'll take care of you. Dang, it feels like I've been filming forever and I have not actually like spoken to y'all. But hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Q. If you're returning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlogs. So right now it's 8:48, so I've been up since like 5:20 something, 5:30, whatever time it was. I woke up and I did not want to be up. I went to the gym this morning, so I was at the gym for like almost 2 hours. It's not because like it was busy or anything, but it's just I really was just trying to get a good workout in. And also I was kind of being lazy because I did not want to be there, but I know I need to show up for myself this year, so that's why I really went and pushed myself. But then I came home, took me a shower, made some breakfast, and I've been watching All the Queen's Men, which I thought the show was going to be a little lame, but it's actually really good. So I'm not like mad about it right now. It is, I'm still letting it play, but it's like season 1 episode 9, so I'm not that far. I literally just started. But my breakfast is done, so I've just been, oh, this is a terrible angle, sorry y'all. I literally just have some scrambled eggs with spinach and turkey bacon because I'm trying to eat better. My goal is to work out more, eat better, cut out my drinking a lot less, so like only special occasions, but like not when people say special occasions and they make anything special occasions, but legit special occasions. So like Valentine's Day is coming up and I'll go to a Valentine's Day party, so I might have like, one is like a daytime kind of one, so I'll probably have like a mimosa, and then the other one is at nighttime, and I'm not gonna go crazy because I don't want to just like mess up everything that I've done this far, because we're going into, well, my first full week is this week. Tomorrow makes a week, and then this is my first full week, so I don't want to mess up anything I'm doing. But yeah, that's why I went with this right here, because I heard the scrambled eggs and spinach is really good to eat. So after I eat my breakfast and stuff, there's a few things that we actually need to do today, and y'all know I keep me a to-do list, so I'm about to tell y'all. So I need to go to Target because I need to pick up a few things. In my last vlog, y'all saw I went to Walmart and I was trying to get some stuff that I needed, but Walmart sucks, and that's why I'm not a Walmart girl, I'm a Target girl. I have some more business orders that I'm going to finish. I have about like, I think I went through majority of my orders, so now I need to go back through and look at like emails to see if people have responded for revisions, make those revisions, and then I also need to do the printing for my business cards so I can get that out to her either today or tomorrow. And then I just need to clean up. So my room is actually not bad, but I want to go ahead and wash my clothes, vacuum the floor. And oh, I also need to put on here that I want to get a new comforter, so I'm probably going to go to Ross because I completely forgot that I added that this morning. So I need to get me a new comforter. But yeah, vacuum the floor, wash my clothes. I'm probably going to organize my bags so I don't have to do like anything else crazy in here. And then my bed is already made up, I just got to change it with the new comforter that I'm going to get, and then work on my YouTube video. So that's literally going to be the first thing that I need to do, because the video that's out before this, I already posted that it's going to be uploaded today, but I need to finish it. And then I already made the TikTok for it, so once I post that, the TikTok will be up as well. And then I also need to film another TikTok today. So yeah, but it's only 8:53 now, basically 9 o'clock, so I'm probably just about to sit here real quick, eat this food, to watch All Queen's Men just a little bit, because I think this episode is almost over. Oh, there's 40 minutes left. I'm not gonna finish that. Wait, is it 40 total? I think it's 40 total, so like less than 20 minutes left. But I'm not gonna finish that now. I'm just gonna eat this, probably throw on like a cute sweatsuit or whatever, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start working first and go to the store later, just so that'll be like my little break or whatever. But I'm gonna see y'all once I finish this, put something on, and then I can show y'all like what I'm wearing for today. So I'm back and I'm dressed. As we can see, I went ahead and put this beanie on because the weather outside is really gloomy today, and it's really cold, and I think that's why like I feel how I feel, or how I felt earlier when going to the gym. But because it's really cold, I decided to, me and this lighting gonna have some problems, but because it's cold, I decided to just throw on this little beanie and then my sweatshirt, and I got on some sweatpants and my brown Uggs. Well, yeah, I was gonna throw on something else, but I'm not really feeling it today, so this is what we're going with outfit wise. I need to put on some perfume, so I'm gonna just use my champagne toast from Bath and Body Works Mellow Body Spray. That's how I'm feeling today, so that's what we're gonna go with. That's what we're gonna do. And I already packed my bag, so I just need to grab this one last thing, and then we'll be good to go. So I got my computer charger. No, I don't have my computer charger, so I did not pack everything. But I got my computer, my iPad, charger for my iPad. I got my extra battery for my camera, and we're gonna pack my glasses. But we are ready to go. So my goal is to be back home by, traffic usually starts at like 3:30ish to 5, a little after 5. Okay, so I'll be home by like 5 o'clock. Dang, that's kind of late. We'll see. I'm not gonna give myself a time frame. We just gonna work and get it done.
Too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that trap, too sexy for that job. Yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests, and I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped the Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro house. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded.
Oh, y'all, I'm back at the house. I got the bonnet on, so y'all can tell I've been here for a little minute and stuff has been getting serious, but I got the bonnet on. So it is 3:03. I spoke to y'all early this morning, and let me just tell y'all, for one, I had to cut my little work session short at Dunkin' because it started pouring down raining and it's freezing outside. Like, I mean freezing. So I said, you know what, we're gonna go ahead and hit these stores and come home and then finish working. Also too, I want to say I think I left at like 12 something, because I was like, dang, it's almost 12. Well, not even almost 12, it's after 12, and I still am not done with this video. It's not like being uploaded to YouTube to be posted like I said it was going to be. So I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and go to these stores and hurry up and get back home and finish this, because I also realized that it was over 2 hours worth of footage. So I then went to Target and I got my food and stuff. I was looking for the poppies, but I ended up with the other one, which was like Olipop, I think. I've had that one time before, so I just bought like 3 or 4 cans of those to try the flavors out, and next time I can buy a case. And then I went over to Ross, did not find a comforter, so I'm probably gonna look on Amazon to just find me just the comforter, because everything that they had was like comforter sets, and I literally do not need a whole set right now. Like, I just need a comforter. Yeah, and then I've been home since, so I probably got home at like 1:30, 2 o'clock. It had to be like 1:30, I think, because it's 3:03 now, and I've been working on this for a little minute. So right now I finally got all of the 2 hours worth of footage down to 45 minutes in a video, which that's going to be posted before y'all see this one. So y'all let me know if y'all feeling the 45 minutes, because initially it was like 58, so dang near an hour. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about the 45, because I usually don't go over 35 unless it's a travel vlog, but like a regular vlog, I've never done that long. So y'all let me know what y'all think. I literally have not done anything business wise, so I still have to do that stuff, but I need a break like a break from just doing this and doing other stuff. So while this is going, I need to start working on my room at least and clean it up, and I got some clothes that I need to put away, and I also need to eat something because I have not had anything to eat since this morning. I'm really trying to get this video uploaded because I want to post my TikTok the same time that I actually upload the video, because I did portion of that vlog. So I recorded Sunday as a productive Sunday video for TikTok, and it was going to just say like full vlog on my channel, like, you know, link in my bio, whatever. So I want to drop that at the same time, but hopefully we can go ahead and get that up because I want to have this video up before 5 o'clock now. But yeah, anywho, so my room is just like this. So this is just my gym bag from earlier. Never put it away. My hair stuff, never put it away. That's my current situation with the computer and stuff. So I got some shoes and stuff on the floor. Yeah, cords. I want to clean this little side corner up on my dresser a little bit because I don't even know what's going on, and then just fix this up. But it's mainly like my floor, like vacuuming, fixing these bags, and then I'm gonna finally fold and put away the clothes that I have in the back. But yeah, how much longer is on this video before I start? Oh, it's only at 61%. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and start, but I'm gonna keep watching it and then hopefully have it uploaded in the process of all this.
No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005. Okay, hold up, wait a minute, all good just a week ago. At my house, we party every weekend, so on the radio, that's my favorite song. Make me bounce around like I don't know, like I won't be here long. Now the thrill is gone, got no patience, cause I'm not a doctor. Go, why is you lying? Why you Mufasa? Yeah, me casa su casa. Got it stripping like Gaza. Got so high on volcanoes. Now the flow is so lava. Yeah, we spit that saliva. iPhone got message from Viber. Either the hit is so hydra or we let bygones be bygones. My God, you pay for your friends. I'll take that as a compliment. Got a house full of homies. Why I feel so the opposite. Incompetent ain't the half of it. Saturdays with young lavish. Just sad as shit is I'm bad as it beats they took from the cabinet. Sorry, I'm just scared of the future. Till 2005, I got your back when you do this. Hold up. No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005. Hold up.
Okay, so it is 5 o'clock and I finished cleaning up my room like I wanted to. Got that space cleared, got the floor all clean. I did the best that I could with my bags, just because it's starting to become so much and I already don't have that much room, so made it do what it do. And also, y'all, I got the video posted. So I just posted a new TikTok and I just posted the new video on my YouTube. So if you have not seen that video before watching this one, go ahead and finish this one because you already here. So then go back and watch that one. But make sure you watch it and check out my TikTok and follow me if you don't already. But I just got a notification that I got a package from Amazon, so I'm about to grab that and then we gonna unpack that to see whatever it is, because I got a few packages coming in this week, but I don't know what this is today, so we're about to find out and I'm gonna show y'all. Give me 1 second. I think I know what this is, y'all. This feels like my MacBook case. I used to have one from my old MacBook and then I got rid of it, and then I got this new one and I'm not being careful with it, so I just ordered one and I did it quick. So I hope I got the right color that I wanted, because I really wanted a black one, just because I'm loving the black ever since I got this new phone. So I want to order a black case for my phone, and then I also got a black case for, hopefully a black case for my computer, and then I want a black case for my iPad. So, oh, I didn't realize this came with a keep word cover too and a screen protector. Okay, I did not know that. I literally just saw the first case and just bought it. What's this? I don't know what this is. That's instructions for my little screen protector. And let's see. This looks like black, yeah. I'm pretty sure it's black. If I could get this thing off, that would be great. Oh yeah, this is black. My computer is that blue, like midnight blue color if they had. I don't think that's the actual name of it, but it looks black. So let's see. This is the computer I have, and as you can see, Q does not take the best care of it, which is not good. So I'm pretty sure this is gonna go this way. So this goes on like this. Oh, I like this already because the last case I got was kind of like this, but it was so bulky. But this is like real slim. Like you can't even tell that I have a case on here. And then now, oh, basically, see, to explain to y'all, like the material that this is, the entire thing was for my old one. And I didn't like that because I could see the bottom being like this, but the top didn't be like that. So just gotta put this on the bottom. Nope, that's the wrong way. Okay. Boom. Oh, that's great. Okay, yeah, this looks real good. Real cute. You can't even tell that I have a case on, and I love that. Okay, so then we got the little keyboard covers. Okay. Period, 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 period. Yes. Can't even tell. And again, do I really? I don't know, man. Because I don't want it to like get bubbly. Let's see, if this becomes bubbly, then we're just not gonna use it. And I just realized they didn't even give me like and it became bubbly. They didn't give me like the little thing. It's so bubbly. No, that's not gonna work. They didn't give me, wait, is this it? Oh yeah. Ooh, I did this so wrong. Not looking like I am. And then, oh, you can't even tell if there's bubbles on here, but that's still gonna bother me. So wait, do I? Y'all, I'm over here. See, that's why I need to do this stuff. I'm over here pushing down on the thing, and that's not even right. Like, this is a huge bubble right there. That was an epic fail, but I think I'm just keeping it on for now. And if not, I'll just take the thing off. This one will go in the trash. I don't even know what this is, but okay, so that's gonna be it for today's vlog. It's probably gonna be a lot shorter than a lot of my vlogs have ever been, and I do apologize for that, but I hope you guys enjoy what I was able to get for y'all. If you did, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.